Unit 5. Tape script 5.1.
Superman! Superman comes from the planet Krypton. He can fly at the speed of light. He can see through walls. He can jump 250 meters. He can speak every language. He can turn back time. There's nothing Superman can't do.
Tape script 5.2. Alfie and Ivy.
Superman's fantastic.
What can he do?
He can do everything.
No, he can't.
Yes, he can. He can fly at the speed of light, he can see through buildings, and he can speak every language in the world.
Tape script 5.3.
He can speak every language in the world.
Really? I don't believe that.
Well, he can. Can you speak any languages?
Yes, I can. I can speak French and Spanish a little bit. We learn them at school.
Well, I can speak French too.
Oh, yeah?
I can say bonjour and merci.
That's nothing. You can't speak French at all.
Well, I can skateboard. You can't.
I don't want to skateboard. I like other things. What about skiing? Can you ski?
Yeah, I can ski a bit, but my mum and dad can ski brilliantly.
I love skiing. I can ski really well.
OK. We can do some things, but Superman can do everything. There's nothing Superman can't do.
Oh, you and Superman. Remember, he's not real. He's only a...
Tape script 5.4. 1.
Can you speak any languages?
Yes, I can. I can speak French and Spanish.
2.
You can't speak French at all.
3.
I can skateboard. You can't.
4.
Can you ski?
I can ski a bit, but my mum and dad can ski brilliantly.
5.
Superman can do everything. There's nothing Superman can't do.
Tape script 5.5. Grammar and pronunciation.
I can speak French.
Can you speak French?
Yes, I can.
No, I can't.
Tape script 5.6. Ivy can't cook. Can you?
So what can I do? Speak a foreign language. Well, yes, I can speak French and Spanish a little bit, but just holiday Spanish. Cooking? No, I can't cook at all. My mum can. She's a fantastic cook. Sports. Well, I think I'm quite good at sports. My cousin Alfie says I'm not because I can't skateboard, but skateboarding's not a sport. I can swim, of course. Everyone can swim, can't they? I can swim very well. I like swimming and I like tennis. I can play tennis quite well. But skiing is my best sport. I love it. And I can ski really well, really fast. Musical instruments. Well, no, I can't play any musical instruments. My dad can play the guitar brilliantly, and my mum can play the piano a bit, but I can't play anything at all.
Tape script 5.7. 1.
She can speak Spanish a little bit.
2.
She can't cook at all.
3.
She can swim very well.
4.
She can play tennis quite well.
5.
She can ski really well.
6.
Her dad can play the guitar brilliantly.
7.
Her mum can play the piano a bit.
8.
She can't play anything at all.
Tape script 5.8. Can or can't. 1,
She can cook.
2,
I can't hear you.
3,
They can't come to the party.
4,
Can you see my glasses anywhere?
5,
You can't always get what you want.
6,
Can you do the homework?
Tape script 5.9. 1,
What day is it today? What day was it yesterday?
2,
What month is it now? What month was it last month?
3,
Is it sunny today? Was it sunny yesterday?
4,
Where are you now? Where were you yesterday?
5,
Where are your parents now? Where were they yesterday?
6,
Are you in England now? Were you in England last year?
7,
Can you ski? Could you ski when you were 5?
8,
Can your teacher speak a lot of languages? Could your teacher speak English when she was 7?
Tape script 5.10. 1,
It was Monday.
2,
We were at school.
3,
Was it sunny?
Yes, it was.
4,
Was it cold?
No, it wasn't.
5,
Were you at school?
Yes, we were.
6,
Were they at school?
No, they weren't.
Tape script 5.11.
Mark Yu, pianist.
He was born on January the 5th, 1999, in California, USA. He can play the piano and the cello. He could play the piano when he was 3. He could play the cello when he was 4. Last year, he played with Lang Lang, the famous Chinese pianist in New York. They were a big success.
Tape script 5.12.
Cleopatra Stratton, singer.
She was born on October the 7th, 2002, in Moldova near Romania. She could sing beautifully when she was just 2 years old. When she was 3, she made an album, La Vasta de 3 anni. Her album was a big success. 150,000 were sold round the world.
Tape script 5.13. Pablo Picasso. October the 25th, 1881 to April the 8th, 1973.
Hey, look at that painting. It's a Picasso.
Oh yes, fantastic.
Where was Picasso born?
In Malaga.
Ah, so he was Spanish.
Yes, he was.
Were his parents rich?
Well, they weren't rich and they weren't poor. His father, Don Jose, was a painter and a professor of art. His mother, Doña Maria, was a housewife.
So was Picasso good at drawing when he was young?
Oh yes, he was a child prodigy. He could draw before he could speak. His first word was lapith, which is Spanish for pencil.
Wow, what a story.
Tape script 5.14. Noun plus noun. 1.
Excuse me, is there a post office near here?
Yes. Can you see the bus stop over there?
Yes, I can.
Well, it's next to the bus stop, near the traffic lights.
Thanks.
2.
I can't find my sunglasses.
Not again. Look in your handbag.
Where's my handbag?
It's in the living room.
Oh, yes, there it is. And there they are.
3.
Excuse me, is there a petrol station near here?
A petrol station? Yeah. Go past the railway station and the car park. It's just before the motorway.
That's very kind. Thank you.
Tape script 5.15. Verb plus noun. 1.
You send a lot of text messages. I know. My mobile phone is my best friend.
2.
Do you earn a lot of money? What a question. Mind your own business.
3.
Do you live on the 3rd floor?
Yes, I have a great view. I can see right over the town.
4.
Do you wear a suit and tie when you go to work?
No. Where I work is very casual. I wear jeans and a t-shirt.
5.
Can you play the guitar?
Yes, I can. And the piano. And the violin.
6.
Can you ride a motorbike?
I can. Do you want to come for a ride? You can sit on the back.
7.
Can you drive a car?
Of course not. I'm only 16.
8.
You have a full-time job. Who looks after your children?
They go to play school.
9.
Do you watch TV a lot?
No, not really. Just in the morning, and in the evening, and sometimes in the afternoon.
10.
I can't speak any foreign languages.
I can. German and Spanish.
Tape script 5.16. Prepositions. 1.
Do you like listening to music?
Yes, of course. I have it all on my iPod.
2.
What sort of music do you like?
All sorts, but especially jazz.
3.
Where's your girlfriend from? Is she Mexican?
No, she isn't. She's from Brazil. She speaks Portuguese.
4.
Is Paula married to Mike?
That's right. Do you know her?
5.
Do you want to come shopping with me?
Oh, yes. Can you wait a minute? I'll get my coat.
6.
Were there any good programmes on television last night?
I don't know. I was on the internet all evening.
7.
What do you want for your birthday?
Can I have an iPhone? Or is that too expensive?
8.
Can I speak to Dave? Is he at work today?
Sorry, he's on holiday all this week. He's back next week.
Tape script 5.17. Polite requests. 1.
Can I have a coffee, please?
Yes, of course.
2.
Can you open the door for me, please?
Sure, no problem.